Taking inputs coming in. Now, this is about the Delhi Dangal. It's Atishi versus Alka Lamba in Kalkaji. So, the Congress party has decided to field Alka Lamba against the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Atishi. Congress's Alka Lamba is going to contest against Atishi. We'll try and connect with our reporters. Remember, Atishi contested from Kalkaji during the last elections as well. She's an incumbent MLA from Kalkaji. She also fought the 2019 Lok Sabha polls but lost to Gautam Gambhir from East Delhi. In the latest that we are picking up about the Delhi elections, Congress party has decided to field Alka Lamba against Atishi.
लोगों को आपदा में धकेल दिया जिस तरीके से आम आदमी पार्टी ने सरकार चलाई है, उस पर आपका क्या टेक है?
देखिए, मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से कहना चाहूंगी, बिल्कुल आप सही कह रहे हैं। दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री और आम आदमी पार्टी ने सबने मिलकर दिल्ली को आपदा में धकेला, पर एज अ प्रधानमंत्री, केंद्र शासित राज्य है ना, सातों सांसद आपके हैं ना, एलजी गृह मंत्रालय, आप क्यों आपदा में दिल्ली के लोगों को पीड़ा और दर्द में, जहरीली हवाओं में, यमुना के गंदे पानी के पीने की और अपराध में आपने क्यों छोड़ दिया? जितनी आम आदमी पार्टी दोषी है प्रधानमंत्री जी इस आपदा के लिए, उतने ही दोषी आप भी हैं। आपको भी जवाब देना होगा। धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much, ma'am. So that was Ms. Alka Lamba speaking in Times Now, and she has mentioned it very clearly that the manner in which Aam Aadmi Party is taking up the matters, that is just the politics which they are trying to do. As she being a Delhiite only, she is very much confident that this time the Congress party will come into power, and whatever is being done by the Aam Aadmi Party, a befitting reply will be given by the people of Delhi to them. With video journalist Bilal, this is Niyamika Singh for Times.
Right, Niyamika, in fact, you are live with us on the broadcast, and thank you for getting us that reaction from Alka Lamba. The Congress party has decided to field her from Kalkaji against the Chief Minister of the National Capital, Atishi, who is contesting her second Vidhan Sabha polls from the Kalkaji constituency.
Well, indeed, it is a big announcement which is being made by the Congress party today, as Congress has fielded Alka Lamba against the Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi, from the Kalkaji constituency, as it was a much awaited move on the part of the Congress party's side, as earlier also many of the senior Congress leaders were of the view that it would be really helpful for the Congress party if Alka Lamba would be contesting against Atishi, as a message which the Congress party is trying to give to the people of Delhi is contesting a women candidate against the women Chief Minister of Delhi, Atishi. And that is the only reason why we have seen that how Alka Lamba was also very much confident about the Congress party's performance in this assembly elections in particular, because she is saying that in the past 10 years, whatever has been faced by the people of Delhi, that is unacceptable at all. And for that reason, she is also giving a message to the people of Delhi that she belongs to Delhi only. She has been born in Delhi. She has worked in Delhi. She has been an MLA as well. And for that reason, she is saying that I am not an outsider just like the Aam Aadmi Party leaders. And for that reason, she is saying that whatever issues we are going to take up, that would be related to the common man of the national capital, whether it is about the air pollution or the water quality, which is being deteriorating day by day. In fact, she has also specifically mentioned about the law and order situation in the national capital, saying that at the point of time when Aam Aadmi Party had come into power, they had raised the question about the law and order situation, about the women's safety. But what about the crime rate which is being there in the national capital today? And that is what she is saying, that the Aam Aadmi Party must give a reply to the people.
So the Congress, in fact, hitting out at both the BJP and the Aam Aadmi Party. Thank you very much, Niyamika, for getting us